In this video, we'll go through steps to prepare an APM version 8.1.4 HMC based agent instance and then configure it to monitor a HMC version 8 system that's managing IBM Power systems. So here I've logged on to the system where I have the HMC base agent installed, and I navigate to the installation directory. Subdirectory bin, and we need to run the HMC underscore base dash agent sh script. If I run it without any parameters, it will give you options that you can run against it. The first parameter we're going to run is config, to configure the instance. And I give the instance name HMC1 followed by my domain name. Answer yes to edit the setting. Give the host name fully qualified, and the username should be at minimum HMC viewer access privilege. And there's password, and confirm the password. I'll take the default for maximum number of data log providers, and a default for the maximum size of each log file before a new one's created. I'll also take the default for the level of information that's provided to the data provider log. And the instance is now configured successfully. Now I run once again the script to show that the status of the instance, it is not running. So I'll start it manually using the script. So the monitoring agent is now started for the HMC base. And if we run the script again, okay, to check its status, replies that it is running with process ID and information about the instance itself. We can also view the information file to see the status. Also to confirm the status, we'll see that it is mentioned as connected. Next, we need to enable the performance monitoring options from the HMC console GUI. So I've logged on to my HMC console on the HMC management submenu. Change performance monitoring settings, and we'll be presented with the power servers that this HMC is managing. I will enable on all of our power servers. I also go to each servers and enable the virtual I/O server. Within the properties, enable the monitoring performance information collection. And I apply this to all virtual I/O servers that I have. Last one. Good. Finally, we need to also enable from the HMC the CPU and memory utilization monitoring, We can do that from HMC SSH login, logged in as HSC root. Let's first check our managed system names. Now the command to run here is change lpar utilization, util for utilization, and config to configure the managed system names. So the first one, I'll give it that, and the time reference, which could be 0 as disabled, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour max. We set it to 1 minute, and we apply the same thing for the rest of our power machines. So our sampling rate is now set for all of our servers to gather utilization data for our power servers and virtual I/O servers. Now we can log into our APM GUI dashboard to see our agent instance in action. So I'll log in as APM admin. And connect to the application performance dashboard. And if I drill down to my components, IBM Power, on the IBM Power infrastructure, I'll see the instance that we configured, HMC1-S bank. It shows that the HMC REST services is running. We've got shows the number of power servers, the CPU utilization by server, and memory allocations. You can drill down to the server itself. It gives you further information, so individually by the power servers that we've enabled the utilization for each, the virtual I/O servers within each power server, and further details and information on each component. You can still further drill down to virtual I/O server of each individual power machine and get further information about the VIO and the physical details of the virtual I/O server and the power server. If I go back to the overview and select a different one, different power server in here, so you can see the CPU, power CPU based on breakdown, power server memory allocation, and power server CPU utilization, I/O, usage history, and further details on network mappings. That concludes our video. I hope it has been useful for you, and thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching this video from the IBM Academies. We really appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, we would love you to check the thumbs up button. We have added several helpful links to the comments box which will take you straight to our blogs and other videos. Thanks again for watching.